Think and Grow Rich, a great book by Napoleon Hill. In this video, we are going to see the summary of this book using an interactive mind map. So first of all, let's see what is the central idea of this book. Then what are the 13 principles of success which have been suggested and which have been told in this book. What are additional lessons which have been given. What are practical tools and techniques which have been told, and what are the key takeaways of this book. So one by one we are going to explore all these. Okay, so first of all, the central idea. The central idea of the book is that desire, faith and persistence can help you achieve any your goal, and success begins with a clear burning desire and a definite plan. Whenever you want to be successful, you must be having these things. What are these? A clear desire, okay, a burning desire. Then you must have faith in yourself that yes, you will be able to achieve that goal, and you must persevere. Okay, you must persist until your goal is achieved. So success begins with clear and burning desire, and a definite plan is also mandatory for achieving any of your goal. So now the 13 principles of success. What are these 13 principles? See, first is desire, that is the starting point of all achievement. Define a clear, this book says, or the author says, that you must define a clear goal or objective. Then you should make it a burning sensation, burning obsession, a burning not sensation, you will have to make it a burning obsession. How will you do that? All these have been told in these 13 principles. Okay, so don't worry. Then you should write down your goal and read it daily, aloud, twice. Okay, so then faith is visualization and belief in attainment. You should be able to visualize your goal as if you have already achieved your goal. Okay, so develop unshakable confidence in your goals. Use affirmations to reinforce beliefs, and act as though success is inevitable. You must act as if there is no other option except your success. You must be successful. It is inevitable. There is no other way out. You should feel like it. This. Okay. Then third one is autosuggestion. That is the medium for influencing the subconscious. As told by many people that there are mainly two parts of the brain. That is, one is subconscious mind, another is subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind plays a much bigger role. That is approximately 99% of the role, which in our success and all those things. Okay, then you must use positive affirmations daily. You should write affirmations according to your goal, and you should use those positive affirmations. Repeat your goals and desires with emotions. You should feel that as if you have already achieved your goal, and then you should speak all these affirmations aloud. Okay, then train your subconscious mind to work towards your goals. You should be able to, or you should train your subconscious mind that yes, how your subconscious mind is going to plan and have a definite plan for achieving your goals. Then the fourth is specialized knowledge. You must have specialized knowledge, personal experiences or observations. The point here is that you must pursue knowledge directly related to your goals. You should not be filling your brain with unnecessary informations of the things which are not related to your goal. Rather, you always look out for knowledge and facts which are related to your goals. You should surround yourself with experts and mentors. Okay, those people who have already achieved that goal, or those people who can be very helpful in achieving that goal. You should surround yourself with such people. Then you should also focus on practical knowledge and not general information. You should be able to you should focus on practical knowledge, not general information like this can be done this way. No, practical specialized knowledge. Okay, related to your goal. Then imagination. What is imagination? He says that imagination is the workshop of the mind, workshop where new things can be manufactured. Then where new thoughts can be manufactured similarly. Okay, then use creative imagination to generate ideas. You must be able to generate ideas. You must be more and more creative with your goal, that how can this be different with this plan, how can this be done with this plan or that plan. But once you selected a particular plan, then you should work upon it. Then you should not be changing that plan frequently. Okay, then you should also use a synthetic imagination to combine existing ideas. What is meant by what is meant here? You should use synthetic imagination to combine existing ideas. You must be having some existing ideas, and then you are also imagining yourself. You are being creative with those ideas. This is synthetic imagination. And turn ideas into actionable plans. You have actionable plans. Now you should execute those plans with your ideas. Okay. Then organized planning. Organized planning is the crystallization of desire into action. Here the point is that create a definite plan to achieve your goals. Assemble a mastermind group of supportive individuals. Here is a great concept of mastermind group given in this book. What is mastermind group? Mastermind group is a group around yourself which are supportive and which are actually helpful for you in achieving that goal. Okay, that goal of yours. That is mastermind group. The experts, the mentors. Then revise and improve plans as needed. You should revise your plans and improve your plans whenever there is a need. Then decision, the mastery of procrastination. You should take a decision. Make decisions quickly and with conviction. You must be fully convicted to that decision. Avoid the influences of others' opinions. Like we get influenced by others' opinions. Somebody comes and say that no, this cannot be done, or you want to be able to do that. No, you should not be getting influenced by these things. And mastermind, your mastermind group, the people, the group of people whom you surround yourself with is also going to help you here. Okay, counter these people, these negative opinions. Then indecision leads to failure and decisiveness leads to success. Definitely we know that some people are, or many people just keep on thinking and do not take a decision, so it leads to failure. Then eighth principle is persistence. That is, sustained efforts are necessary for success. Success can't be overnight. It can't be in one go. So there you have to take multiple steps. At each step you may be getting failure or some success. But whenever you get temporary defeats, you should not be able, you should not quit that goal. Overcome those obstacles with consistent efforts and strengthen persistence through desire and willpower. Avoid quitting. Avoid quitting when you face temporary defeats. You should not be quitting that goal altogether whenever you get a temporary defeat. Then ninth principle is the mastermind, the group, the power of group influence. Okay, whatever the group you are, maybe you are in, that group is constantly influencing you. That is, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The individuals whose thought process is aligned with you, or basically is helpful for your goal. Okay, then share knowledge and resources, and mutual encouragement leads to greater success. You should be in a group where everybody is encouraging mutually each other. Everybody is encouraging each other. Okay, as well said that there is a perfect says that's like you are sum of 5 people around you. That is mastermind group. And you should not be physically with them. You can be digitally with them as well, digitally, virtually. Okay, for example, in my opinion, you can be with Warren Buffett, or you can be with the top entrepreneurs of this world. How you can listen their podcasts, you can watch you can read their books. So you are constantly with them, with those people. You are constantly living with those people. The subconscious mind, that is the connecting link. Feed the subconscious mind with positive emotions and thoughts. You should feed your subconscious mind with positive emotions and not negative emotions. Avoid negative emotions like fear and doubt. You fear and you doubt that whether I will be able to achieve this or whether I won't be able to achieve this. So all those things should be avoided. Trust the subconscious to provide solutions. Whatever the challenges you face, whatever the temporary challenges you face, trust your subconscious. It will provide solutions to face those challenges. Then the brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. So use your brain as a transmitter of ideas. It is a transmitter. Okay, it tells you many ideas. It generates ideas. Tune into others' thoughts and infinite intelligence, and strengthen this power through focused thinking. You should have focused thinking. You should focus upon a particular thought for much time, so that your brain can get creative with this thought and can generate more and more ideas with this thought, so that you can achieve your goal. First of all, you can achieve your goal easily, and you can achieve your goal with least amount of hard work. Okay, then the sixth sense, that is the door to the temple of wisdom. Here the author says, develop intuition through experience and practice. Develop intuition through experience and practice. The sixth sense guides decision making and creativity, and learn to trust your gut instincts. Many times we feel something, though there can be no logic, or like it is not much logical, then still you should trust your guts. Okay, gut instincts. This is sixth sense. Then overcoming fear. The six basic fears. And what are these six basic fears? These are poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These are six fears which have been told in this book. You should also replace fear with faith, courage, and action, and understand that fear is just a state of mind. It is imaginary. It is not a reality. Okay, fear is just a state of mind. And why do I fear with something which is imaginary, which is not a reality? Then what are additional lessons which have been given in this book? The power of definite purpose. Then you should be having a definite purpose. You should be persistent. And what is the importance of self-discipline? These things have also been discussed in this book. Then what are the practical tools and techniques which have been given in this book? Okay, so first of all, definite measure purpose. You should write down a clear statement of your goal and read it aloud to you twice, okay, and daily. Include a timeline and the price you are willing to pay. You should also write in that statement what is the timeline or what is the deadline of achieving that goal. It should not be vague. It should be a clear statement that I am going to, for example, if you say that you want to be a millionaire, then you should write that I want to be a millionaire in next 3 years, or better still, you will say that I am going to be a millionaire by 2027, and what is the price you are willing to pay, because for everything, whatever you want, there has to be a price which you need to pay. So you should be also you should also write that this is the amount of hard work I am going to put, or this and that, or all those things. Okay, then daily affirmations. Repeat your goal with emotion twice daily. That is also okay. You should feel like you have already achieved that goal. You should be able to imagine that goal in your head, and with full emotions you should repeat it to yourself, speak aloud it to yourself twice daily, for example in the morning and in the evening. And then what is mastermind group? Regularly meet with a group of support and accountability. Why this is required? This is to keep you motivated. Okay, when you regularly meet those people, when you regularly see those people, listen their podcast, read their books, read their autobiographies, what does it do? It keeps you motivated, it maintains your faith in that, and it channelizes your energy in a positive direction or in a direction where you want. Okay, then what are the key takeaways of the book? Thoughts become things, and this is one of the best lines I have ever read in this book. That is, whatever the impulse of thoughts there are, the thoughts become things. That is, your impulse of thoughts actually turns into physical equivalent, physical reality, if worked upon properly. Whatever you focus on expands. Okay, when you focus on something, it expands and it turns into physical reality. You focus on becoming a millionaire, you will be a millionaire. This is the basic concept of this book. Clarity, action and persistence are the keys to wealth. What are these? Clarity means a clear defined plan, okay, clearly defined purpose. And then action, you must be able to execute that plan. And then persistence, because success is never in one go. There will be many steps, there will be many defeats, but those defeats will be temporary, and you should be persistence. You should have persistence so that you can overcome those temporary defeats. And the combination of desire, faith and planning can overcome any obstacle. Whatever the obstacle may be, your desire to succeed and your faith in yourself and your planning, the creative ideas which have been generated by your subconscious mind will be easily able to, by mixture of all these three, you will be easily able to overcome any obstacle. Okay, so these were the key takeaways of this book. And this is a book which is very great, amazing book. Okay, so you should write, you should for example, I think you should read that book if you have time. Okay, and this was the summary. So thank you so much.